everybody, and good Thursday evening to you. It is weather for Weather Geeks time. This is the Valley's most in-depth and detailed weather video, and we have some sunny weather to talk about as we head towards the weekend. But first, let's check out what's going on now and what has happened since the day began. This is a live look, as of this recording anyway, outside. It's 6:26 p.m., 224 Market Street in Boardman. The camera still shimmying a little bit. It's been another fairly breezy day, but as of this recording, we are dry. We had a round of showers earlier on that brought some modest amounts of rain to our region, but let's talk about those temperatures. 68 the high today, just shy of the record of 70 set in 1977. Of course, we tied a record high yesterday, and we fell just short of it today. That 57 was our lowest temperature for the calendar day. That occurred this afternoon. We woke up this morning still in the 60s. A lot of us slept with windows open last night. It was pretty remarkably warm. When you consider our average lows, as you can see right here, are in the mid-20s still. It was 35, 37 degrees warmer than that first thing this morning. It really felt like June at the start of the day. Much like yesterday, the wind was a bit of a factor today, gusting in the 20s pretty consistently, even some 30 to 35 mile per hour gusts starting around 8 a.m. and taking us into the midday hours. The wind is diminishing a little this evening. I mentioned those rainfall totals pretty modest. In fact, we didn't see a drop in southeastern Columbiana County. That'll change this evening. But a couple of hundredths of an inch, Lisbon, Latonia, up to Canfield, a tenth of an inch or so from downtown. Youngstown up towards the Girard area and over into Mercer County as well. Newton Falls also picked up about a tenth of an inch. As of this recording, just before 7 p.m., we're in a break between areas of showers. We had those showers earlier. The radar is going to fill back in, though, as we head into the evening, and this batch of rain continues pushing east-northeast. Notice there's actually some thunder and lightning associated with this around the Cincinnati and Dayton areas this evening. And so this is going to impact our area as we go into the 8 and 9 o'clock hours especially, and then we'll start to fade away. Overnight, it's still pretty warm out there. 60 degrees as of the 7 o'clock hour in Youngstown, but it's 47 in Lansing and it's 46 in Green Bay. A modest cool down is coming for the end of the week tomorrow, but still it's going to be above the average. The legit cool air arrives for the weekend. So again, timing of the band of rain pushing in from the southwest. Mid-evening, it'll be here for a handful of hours, and yeah, the timing on this is pretty good in that it'll occur when most of us are not out and about, and as you get up on Friday morning, it'll be long gone, and the sun will be out pretty quickly, I think, for our Friday. We're in between fronts on Friday, and a good deal of sun. The temperature's trimmed somewhat, but still, 10 or 12 degrees warmer than average tomorrow afternoon. The next front comes through dry with little fanfare, but it will be noticeably colder than Friday night. Heading into Saturday morning, high pressure drifts across for the weekend. We'll see some cirrus clouds occasionally. We're going to kind of be on the edge of that cirrus deck for parts of the weekend, but aside from a milky sky, pretty good looking weekend. Not bad temperature-wise. Mid-40s on Saturday, closer to 50 on Sunday. All right, they're gearing up for a big-time snow event across the front range of the Rockies from Cheyenne and Casper down to Pueblo, Colorado Springs, Denver. They're going to be measuring snow in feet in the mountainous areas, especially just west of Denver. 10, 15 miles west of Denver, there might be 4 feet of snow, and in Denver proper, maybe a foot or two with that weekend storm. Also, there's a severe weather component with our emerging storm as it comes out of the Rockies into the Plain States. Not much in the way of severe weather expected tonight, but tomorrow, as the dry line pushes out into Texas and Oklahoma, there probably will be some pretty heavy thunderstorms in the afternoon. Amarillo, Lubbock, up into the panhandle of Oklahoma. And then on Saturday, the severe weather threat is in a similar area, a lot of western Texas into western Oklahoma and into Kansas as well. Again, our weekend weather looks pretty quiet, and next week looks kind of uneventful weather-wise. Couple of chances for showers during midweek, and temperatures, nothing to write home about. We're not going to see the mid-60s again anytime real soon. Thanks for checking out this evening's Weather for Weather Geeks video. I'll be live tonight on 21 News at 11, talking about the Friday and weekend forecast and everything else you need to know. And if you don't want to stay up late, check out the latest details on the forecast anytime on the Storm Tracker 21 app.